Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I am in such a good mood today. Nothing but positive vibes, good energy my way, and I'm sending some positive and love and energy, positive energy your way. Today's video is going to be a review slash makeup tutorial on the brand new Huda Beauty new Nude palette, which is this beauty right here. So if you guys want to know how to get this very pinky makeup look, then just keep on watching. Let's take a look at the palette first. I really want to show you guys the actual packaging and pretty much all that. This is what the palette is going to come in. I do not get PR packages from Huda Beauty. I am not that cool. So I did buy this with my own moolah. The packaging or the sleeve is so cute. I really love her packaging. Opening it up. It comes with a little sleeve. Now this little sleeve is going to protect your shadows from transferring onto your mirror, which is why I'm guessing they put it here. I'm just going to read you some information on the back. So these are 18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones, including 10 buttery mattes, 4 multi-reflective shadows, and 2 pressed glitters. 1 pressed pearled for a velvety shine, and 1 concealer base to make your shadows pop. Okay. Oh man, I wish I would have seen this earlier. So it's literally a concealer on the bottom. Actually, I still might be able to use it. Back to the packaging though, this palette does retail for $65, which is a pretty penny. Her palettes are a little bit on the pricier side, but they're pretty good. I am excited to try this one out. I went yesterday to Old Navy and I saw this little headband and I had to pick it up because I knew that I was going to be reviewing this palette and I'm just extra like that. So I bought this little headband and I'm going to go based off of this and create a very girly look with this palette. First things first, I am dipping into that concealed little cream thing and I'm going to apply it as a base. You know what? I don't think I'm going to use this one. It feels very greasy, like those really cheap concealers. And I know this is going to crease on me, so I'm not even going to try it. Sorry, but no. There we go. I used my Too Faced concealer as my base. I think I'm going to take the shade Teddy, which is this one down here. I really want to keep everything nice and like monochromatic with the pinks or the mauves. Oh, okay. That is pigmented. I literally barely touched my brush and it does have a little bit of kick up. Okay. I am going to tap them on first and then we can worry about blending. I'm actually going to dig into Secret, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to apply that right above Teddy just so it can help me blend that out a little bit more. I think Teddy might have been a little too dark to go as a transitional shade, but that's okay. We gonna make it work. It's blending really nicely and I did use a wet base and some shadows don't blend well with wet bases. And this one is doing such a good job. I'm impressed. I know this is the first shade that I've used, but I'm already like, I don't know, I'm really liking this palette already. I'm gonna take the shade Bare, which is a vanilla white shade. You guys, you have no idea how much I love and appreciate when eyeshadow palettes include a vanilla shade. Like, you have to have a vanilla shade in there or else it's not a palette in my eyes. I use these shades so much because you can use them to either set your entire base or to brighten up underneath your brows, and I swear it makes a difference. This also is really good for blending out like your shadows if you ever make a mistake. So I feel like vanilla shades should always be in every single palette. Girl, I know the day that I create a palette, you know there's gonna be a vanilla shade in there. Let's make things a little bit more interesting. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Spanked, which is this like really pretty deep mauve, and we're adding that into the crease. And then I think eventually I'm gonna go into Love Bites, which is that deeper purple. And again, I'm just doing the same things. I'm adding it to the inner and outer corner. This look actually turned out to be way darker than I anticipated for it to be, but ni modo, what do you do? Wow, this color, you guys, is stunning. What do you guys think? I really like it so far. I'm gonna go back into my concealer and I'm just going to draw the line for the halo eye. And I think I'm gonna go in with Daydream, which is this really interesting pressed glitter. It has like, kind of looks like a marble. I don't know, but it's really pretty. I'm just going to dab it onto the center of the lid. That is the color. That's really pretty. Oh, that is so beautiful. Yes, Huda Beauty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and just fix the inner and outer corner of the eyes, and we can come back and do the lower lash line, and that is it. I'm going to add a pink eyeliner. I hope I don't look like I have like a pink eye. But this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon. This is actually a lip liner, but I'm going to use that as a waterline on my waterline. This is in the shade Pop. I think I'm going to add a pink eyeliner because, I don't know, why not, right? It's always fun to switch it up a little bit. So all I'm going to do is use this Pixie liquid lipstick in Prettiest Pink. And I'm just going to do a eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to stop right here, just so you don't see like the lash band and to make it look cute. Went ahead and popped on my little headband, and I popped on some lashes as well. If you guys are wondering which ones I am wearing, I am using La Jefa from the Hermosa collection with Me and Lash Kitty. So it's these top ones, super flirty and fun. Anyway, because I didn't test out the glitters, I do want to try them out just for the sake of this video. I'm going to pop some onto the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of glue here, right in the inner corner. That glitter is so pretty on the inner corner of the eyes. Ugh, it's just so pink. So what are my final thoughts? Do I recommend this palette? Do I like it? Do I love it? Do I hate it? And honestly, you guys, I am loving, living, breathing for this palette. So pretty to look at. I am obsessing over these shadows right here. They're so unique. I've never seen anything like this, and it's just very impressive. The color payoff, the blendability, the creaminess. I really like this palette. I don't know what to say. Definitely recommend it. Anywho, I am gonna go because my mom just finished making some gorditas with picadillo. Ooh, girl, I'm about to grub. So that is it for today's review. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials on the upcoming days, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I love you so much. Lots of kisses for all of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!